video. In this video I want to show you that Windows 10 actually has, if you want to call it a sniffer, or a packet capture application built into Windows. You may ask, where, how, why didn't we know about this? Well, it's something that Microsoft put there, not much documentation around it, but it's actually very easy to use. So the first thing I want to show you is you can type in pktmon, which is essentially what this is, and these are the commands that you can use. Now it's actually very easy to run a packet capture. So I made a list of the commands here. So to start a packet capture, it's basically using the pktmon start with the --etw. Now basically what that does, that is now running a packet capture. To stop the packet capture, pktmon stop. It has now created the file. Now as you can see, it sits under system32 pktmon. So if we go here now and you have a look, there's my ETL file. There's the application, there's the ETL file. Now you obviously can't view ETL files yet, or within Windows, you have to convert it. So there's the third command that will basically change the format of that file to something readable. So we just paste in the command, and now you can see that it's actually created the file, and you can basically see the packet captures, like information like you would read in a Wireshark capture, etc. So you should be able to read this in Wireshark as well. For those who don't know what Wireshark is, you can use the conversion. Wireshark is obviously just more advanced than this, but it's nice to know that you can capture traffic if you want to know what's happening on a machine for whatever reason. Maybe you want to capture packets because Outlook is not doing what it's supposed to do, as an example, or a game, etc. Then this might show you. And that is pktmon. So now you know you can run packet captures within Windows 10. Thank you very much.